Hi, this is Habib from Preston Audi, and this is the Audi Q3 S-Line. This model has a 35 TFSI engine with 150 PS and the slick 6-speed manual gearbox, delivering a sporty and engaging drive. This model has had one previous owner. With this being an approved use Audi model, it'll come with a 1-year warranty and 1-year roadside assistance. Starting at the front of the car, we have the S-Line exterior styling, including the air grills, radiator grille and front bumper, giving this a stylish front end. While as standard, we have the striking LED headlights, providing high quality illumination. Moving around the side of the car, we have the stylish 19-inch 5 twin-spoke dynamic design alloy wheels, which look great and complement the stunning Mythos Black paintwork perfectly. While there's also the optional heated, electrically adjustable and folding body-coloured door mirrors with integrated LED side indicators, as well as aluminium roof rails, really setting off the stylish exterior look, while the rear privacy glass ensures there's extra security for your rear seat passengers. Moving inside, you'll see there's a spacious interior, with plenty of space for all passengers to sit comfortably, while on the cloth and leather upholstered seats, it means you can travel in luxury too. These are really comfortable and sportive, especially on long journeys, while the ISOFIX points ensure your child seats will stay secure on the move. And if there's no middle seat passenger, there's also a fold-down armrest with 2 inbuilt cup holders, perfect for those long road trips, which you should be able to do in this car with ease. Moving outside of the car and around to the back, we have LED rear lights with dynamic indicators, and as mentioned earlier, the enhanced exterior styling also includes a roof edge spoiler, rear bumper and rear diffuser, giving this a stylish overall look. To access the boot, just hold down the button on the key or use the soft release on the power operated tailgate. This has a large boot with 530 litres of space, so there's plenty of room for adding a shopping or even a pushchair, while folding down the rear seats means you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture. And once you've loaded everything, just click the button and the boot will close automatically. Overall, this is a really stylish SUV. While considering its age and mileage, it's definitely in excellent condition. Moving inside, you'll see it's equally as stylish. There's dark and matte brushed aluminium inlays, which really uplift the interior ambience. Lower down, we have the manual gearbox and electronic handbrake, really clearing up the interior for a clutter-free, stylish look. There's also cloth and leather upholstered front sports seats, which are not only plush, but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the manual adjustability means you can easily get to your favourite drive position every time you get into the car. There's also automatic headlights with light and rain sensors, while on the doors we have the switches for the windows and electrically adjustable mirrors, as well as a switch for the power operated tailgate, so you can open the boot from inside. But this concludes the 360-degree walk around of the Audi Q3 S-Line. Now let's take a look at the interior from the driver's perspective. In front of you, there's a 3-spoke leather multifunction sports steering wheel, with buttons to control the virtual cockpit you see ahead of you, as well as the infotainment display on the centre console. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, we have these toggle switches, which you can use to change the display ahead. We have general car information, which can display consumption both short-term and long-term, as well as driver assist and the camera-based traffic sign recognition. So all the important information displayed ahead of you. There's also DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find a destination, while if you click view you can change the size of those dials, really adding extra customizability for the display. This model has ridden 18,162 miles, while even though it's past its warranty, it will come with a 12-month warranty upon purchase, as well as the original set of 2 keys. As standard, we have the 10.1-inch multimedia interface navigation plus display screen, with functionalities including DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, media controls with various sources such as Bluetooth and USB, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find a destination. There's also Audi's smartphone interface, allowing you to connect to device media via Apple Carplay or Android Auto, so streaming your favourite music or podcasts couldn't be easier. As standard, there's also Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the pre-configured modes. There's plenty more to choose from, such as efficiency, comfort, and auto, with individual allowing you to customise your options. But our personal favourite is dynamic, as it's the most driver focused. There's also the optional Ambient lighting pack, so vented lights and vision, and background lighting. You'll see there's 30 different colour options to choose from, to match your mood or vibe, so you can really add your personal touch to the interior. Not only that, but as standard, we also have rear parking sensors, really adding extra reassurance when navigating through those tight spaces. Moving down, we have the display for the dual zone electronic climate control, with SAP controls for the passenger and driver, with plenty of ability to your liking. You can easily change your temperature, speed, and direction on the move without taking eyes off the road. This was the walk around of the Audi Q3 S-Line. If you'd like to reviewing, test drive, or request a personalised finance quote, please contact us on 0772 911 331. Thank you for watching.